Okay, today we'll continue in our lesson, right? We are on volume 2. Yeah. So today we will continue in volume 2, module 5, lesson 1, simplify algebraic expressions. We are on page 233. Now let's remember yesterday what we did in this lesson. Yesterday we talked about like terms. We said that like terms have same variable or variables. Can be one variable in the term or more than one variable, right? And same, you can say exponents or what? Powers. Like, for example, 2m with 7m, 5x power 2 with 8x power 2, negative y with 3y. All of them are what? Like terms. But, for example, 2x with 2x power 3, they are what? Unlike terms. Unlike terms. And we said that you can add or subtract only like terms. If the terms are unlike, you cannot add, you cannot subtract them. You can multiply and divide them, but later on we will talk about multiply and divide. Done? We did the boxes, if you remember. Let's go to example 1 directly. Yeah. So we are in example 1 now. Example 1, page 234. Let's see the example together. The example said, read with me guys, please. طلع كتابك مش علي. The cost of a jacket J after a 5% markup can be represented by the expression J plus 0.05 J. شو يعني 0.05 5% markup؟ خصم يعني، صح؟ So this is the expression J plus 0.05 J. The question said simplify this expression. صح? Let's simplify. Now to simplify this expression, we take a look to our variables here and here and be sure that if they are like terms or unlike terms. Now how many terms here? 2 terms. Yesterday we said the terms separated by addition or but here we have 2 terms. Look at the 2 terms. The variable in the first term is J. The power of it 1. We said if there is no power means 1. No coefficient means time. So here the variable is J and its power is 1. And here also the variable is J and its power its exponent 1. What's the coefficient here? 1. And here, and what we have between them? So let's add 1 plus 0.05. It will be 1 point. Right? This is example 1. Done? What? How we know it's have power? في power exponent. تعرف exponent? Like 2 power 3. هذا exponent نسميه باور. هذه 2 عليها باور، هذه 2 عليها باور، عليها بس 1 ما نكتب ال1 احنا. فهمت؟ فهمت الاكسبوننت؟ يلا. Now let's go to the check together. We have check after this example. Check. Also on page 235. The check said, copy with me, the cost of a new pair of shoes after a 3% markup can be represented by the expression C plus 0.03 C, right? Fine. Simplify. Simplify means we have a lot of terms. We need to make them. No, not always one term. صح؟ Not always one term. مش لازم one term. Okay? يلا here. What's the variable in the first term? C. And here the power. So they are like. They are like terms means we can add them. We can add them. The coefficient here and here 0. Add 1 plus 0.03. Yeah, this is equal 1.03 ish. Done? Let's go to example 2 directly on the same page, page 235. In example 2, simplify. The question said, simplify negative 5x plus y plus 6 minus 5y minus 3, right? مظبوط? Yeah. Here, let's take a look to our expression. How many terms we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 5 terms, right? Now let's search about the like terms. What are the like terms? The terms with the same variable and same or numbers together. Or يعني 6 مع ال 3 مع negative 3 هذه مع هذه هذول like. We will make them combine. Combine means we have many terms, we will make them one term, right? So this 6 مع ال minus 3, what it will be down? 3. صح؟ طب this 5x, do we have another term like with 5x? With negative 5x? في like term with it? ايش مالك انت؟ Do we have like term with negative 5x? No. We only have x. Do we have other x's here? خلاص. So this one will comes down the same. It has no like term. I cannot add it with another unlike term with it, right? So here equal this negative 5x stays the same. ما إلي فيها. And the 6 with negative 3, 6 minus 3 plus 3, right? It still mean y's. And I took the negative with the circle, right? So let's take a look to the y, this y and this y. Here the variable is y and the variable is y. Same variable. The exponent 1, the exponent 1. Same exponent, so they are like terms. Stop. What's the coefficient here? Means 1, positive 1, right? And here negative 5. Let's do plus 1 minus 5. How much? Negative 4 ish. Negative 4y. This is the simplification. Can I do more? No. Do we have like terms here? X, Y, number. ما لهمش دخل ببعض، صح؟ Can we do more? No. So what we call this expression? The simplest form of this one. Done? Yes. لا لا. ها؟ هذه 2. Why you will do divide? Why you will do divide? يعني? What's the purpose to do division? No. Divide on what? Divide on 4. Divide on 4. No, you cannot divide on 4. Let's do the check. In your book, a lot of boxes here, right? Do as I tell you, okay? Yeah. Let's do the check. In the check, we need to simplify. See the check? After example 2, page 235, simplify -5 minus 3w plus 9 minus 5y minus 6. انا بطلع فوق انا، وهو لو هذا يروح عني انا بشتغل كويس. هذا غلط. plus 9 minus 6z, right? Plus 8w minus 4z. Okay. Now let's take a look here to our expression. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 terms. 6 terms. Right. Let's search about the like terms together. This -5 is a constant. We call it yesterday, if you remember. The number, we call it constant, right? So do we have another constant? We have -5 with. So this -5 with the +9, right? So let's make it -5 plus 9 +4. خلصنا من ال5 وال9. طيب, how about this w? Do we have another w power 1? W power 1, right? 5. Here -3 plus 8. Remember integers? -3 plus 8. Subtract with the bigger sign. Plus 5. Don't forget. So I'm done with this also. Now still z. Here we have z power 1, and here we have z power 1, like terms. Here we have -6, and here we have now -6, -4, negative. We add and put the same sign, right? -10. Now in algebraic expressions, the number, the constant, always at the end should be, right? So here I just wanna rearrange it, that's all. So this is equal 5w minus 10z plus mean. This correct. 5w minus 10z plus 4. ما انا هيني بحكي النمبر خليه بالاخير. نمبر كونستانت بلس 4 هذه بالاخير، وهذول الفاريبلز بالاول. لا خلاص وطن. ما في مشكله. لا اله الا الله. Yes, make it like this. Else it's arranging, arranging only. So don't take it that what's no I can arrange. حط هذه هنا بس سهله. Yes. ليش ما رحت؟ انت كان عندك بريك قبل الكلاس. يا ايش؟ ماشي، انت مش كان عندك بريك قبل الكلاس؟ ليه ما رحت البريك؟ انت كان عندك بريك. بالبريك ايش بنعمل احنا؟ ناكل ونروح على الباثروم، ولا ايش بنعمل؟ روح تفضل. ما تعيدهاش. done. طيب. Let's move. طبعا we have choices here, right? In the choices, part B, 4 plus 5w minus 10z. Even the book did not arrange it, right? I did. But let's go to example 3 and focus with me, please. Yes يا بدر ايش مالك؟
No, sorry, mister. I just wanted to ask you something, but now I know.
طيب remove your hand. Yes عبد الحميد.
Mister, I want to know how did you arrange it like that?
The number, always put it at the end.
Yeah. Only you can. Yes, mister. Maybe I'm muted.
What? عادي ما في مشكلة. ما في مشكلة. خلاص؟ يلا. تعال. ايش مالك؟ اسكت. Example 3. Simplify. All of our examples is to simplify. Now here we have fractions. 3 over 4a minus 2 over 3 minus half a plus 5 over 6. Here we have fractions, and in the previous module we work with the fractions with the plus and minus, right? Now here, how many terms we have? 1, 2, 3, 4 terms, right? First step, I need to search about the like terms. Where are the like terms? 3 over 4a with negative 1 over 2a. هذول like, صح? And the two fractions, negative 2 over 3 and plus 5 over 6. So I will combine the two like terms here together and the two like terms here together, right? Yeah. So here what I will do, I will take this negative 3 over 4a with negative 1 over 2a صح؟ and I will combine this negative 2 over 3 with, it is like, now if you want to work with the fractions, work with a side, then put your answers here. Means 3 over 4a with minus 1 over 2a means 3 over 4 minus, بعملهم على جنب. 3 over 4 minus 1 over times 2 means 3 over 4 minus 2 over 4 means 1 over. So 3 over 4a minus 1 over 2a equal 1 over 4 ايش؟ اقدم ليش يا ابني؟ لحظه شطب لو سمحت، مالك دخل انت؟ هو بيسالني ولا بيسالك؟ جاوبني. بسالك انا تسكت. يس اد وات؟ هو على كيفنا يعني اد اور سبتراكت؟ يعني احنا بنشوف والله حاب اليوم اعمل اد وكمان شوي والله خلينا نجرب السبتراكت يلا مش غلط. لا يا حبيبي. Depends on the sign. The sign here plus, the sign here minus. Depends on the sign. Here minus here. Depends on the sign. مش على كيف الموضوع. So here I did 3 over 4 minus 1 over 2 there. The answer is what? 1 over 4. I put it 1 over 4 بس ايش؟ A. Don't forget your term. خلصنا مين؟ هذول. Now I will work with the fractions, the constants. Negative 2 over 3 plus أخذت 2 over 3 عملت 5 over 6 غلط. هي ايش؟ Negative. تاخذ النيجاتيف معها. So here negative 2 over 3 and if you remember we said the negative we give it for the numerator plus مين؟ ليش ما عملنا subtract يا مستر؟ فيها وهذا بلس مش على كيف الموضوع. Now 3 to be 6 times 2 times 2 negative 4 over 6 5 over 6 equal 1 over 6. So here plus 1 over 6. So what I did here, I took my fractions and I made them here. Then I give my answers. What? أي نيجاتيف؟ هذه وين ال 3 over 4؟ وين 3 over 4 في عندها نيجاتيف؟ طب وين النيجاتيف هنا؟ دي مصير هاي بوزيتيف تزعل الشهر. ايش المشكلة؟ هيك رضيت؟ جاوبني يا ابني جاوبني. ايش مالك انت؟ ليش حطينا هذه؟ يعني هذه ايش؟ بوزيتيف ولا نيجاتيف؟ طب والثاني هذا بوزيتيف ولا نيجاتيف؟ انت بتتخير يا ابني هيها نيجاتيف مش شايفها؟ هي حطيناها نيجاتيف، ايش المشكلة؟ ايش مشكلتك يعني؟ انا حابب اعرف. ها؟ يا ابني وين التو؟ احنا هون احنا 3 over 4 هي هذه مع مين؟ انت مش شايف البورد؟ نسيت نظارتك. طيب هذا 3 over 4 يا ابني بلس مع مين؟ اللي فيها A زيها مين؟ هاف نيجاتيف هاف A صح؟ هاي اخذت 3 over 4 اخذت النيجاتيف هاف واشتغلتهم هنا. The second part negative 2 over 3 with plus 5 over 6 اشتغلتهم هنا. بس. And I put my answers here. Is that clear? Yes. Where A1 هذه ال1 هذه ال1 يا ابني 3 minus 2 ليش تحط لها نيجاتيف؟ here طب put it here ماشي يلا ما في مشكلة. أنا آسف and do it. It will be the same. غيره. else فاهم يا شكري؟ بنشوف. check. simplify. Check after example 3. Simplify -1 over 4n plus 5 over 6 plus 3 over 8n minus 2 over 3. How many terms we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 terms. This term has m power 1 with this term has m power 1. So these two terms are what? Like terms. This number constant and this one here constant. So these two terms are what also? Are like terms. Right? So we'll make the like terms together regarding the signs. It's important. So this is equal. يلا نشتغل الامز اول. m here نشتغل هون صح؟ يلا. What's the coefficient here? -1 over 4 مع الm plus 3 over 8. Why this negative? هي negative. Why this positive? هي ماليش دخل. هي. And if we have two signs followed by each other, we replace them with one sign as we did thousands of times before, right? يلا here. 2 to -2 up over 8 plus 3 over 8 equal 1 over 8. Right? So I did 1 over 8. 1 over 8 what? تنساش الام. ما حطيت الام هذه غلط حلها. فهمنا؟ طب خلصنا مين؟ الفاريبل تيرمز رايت؟ هذول خلصناهم. هلا مين؟ 5 over 6 minus اشتغلهم على جنب. 5 over 6 minus 2 over 3 times 2 times 2 means 5 over 6 minus 4 over 6 means 2 over 6 means plus دي من اول بس انا الضوء هذا 1 over 6 الضوء هذا بيعمل لي مشاكل لازم يغيروه. This is the simplification. copy the steps عشان نعرف شو بتعمل. حطليش هذا يا بالمنتلي انت. لا تحط هذا وخلص. اشتغل الستبس عشان تعرف شو بنشتغل. Yes يا ابني.
Mister,
Yes.
if we finish the checks and the examples today, we do the homework or we wait until tomorrow?
نعم يا اخوي.
If we finish the example and the checks today, we do the homework today or we wait
ايش
until
رايك
tomorrow?
انت ايش رايك؟
We didn't finish the checks and the example. We do the homework or we wait until we finish it.
اسكت يا عبد الحميد. Example 4. Yeah. Example for something we call distribute over addition. Example 4. Simplify or use the distributive property to expand. Expand 4 bracket negative 3x plus 6. Now here يا اخوي فهمنا. Here we call it distributive. حط لسليمان كمان minus 1 على الورقه. حط له. خذ راحتك. Take your time. يلا. Now here I have something we call it distributive property. يلا. Now 4, what's between 4 and the bracket? ما في شيء means. So I will multiply the 4 with the first term and with the second term. And look how I will multiply. This is equal. The number multiplies the number and the variable comes down. 4 multiply negative 3 negative 12 والvariable بينزل. خلاص؟ 4 multiply positive 6 positive 24. بس. What? Huh? I am multiplying them. I'm not adding or subtracting. Got it? Can we continue here? Can I add? No. Why? Unlike terms. Huh? Do brackets. Yalla. How? He said why we don't do the brackets first. Yalla, what you can do in the brackets? يا ابني هذه x مش x مش multiply. هذه x negative 3x. الله يسعدك يا رب. لا تفكرش انت لما بتفكر بتدمرنا. لا تفكر. Let's do the check. Check after this example. In the check we have 9 multiplied by the parenthesis minus 5a plus 3b. Here I'm not adding, multiply. Now inside the bracket, do we have like terms? No. Here a, here b. There are no like terms. Here I have multiply 9 with the bracket. So I will distribute the 9. The 9 multiplied by the first term and multiplied by the second term. And if you multiply a number with algebraic expression, you multiply the number with the number and the variable comes down. So this is equal 9 multiply negative 5 a. خلك معي. 9 multiply 3b. Done? This is the check. Example 5. In example 5, I have 2x minus 3, 5y, all multiplied by, the 3 is on this side. It's the same. I will do the same, but on this side. So the 3 to 2x and the 3 to negative 5y. So this is equal 3 multiply 2x, 3 multiply negative 5y. That's do the check after this example. Example 6. Negative 5 multiplied by 2x minus 9. I'll do the same. صح؟ Yeah. Negative 5 multiply 2x, negative 5 multiply negative 9. Respect the signs here. Equal. Negative 5 times 2x, negative 10x. Negative 5 times negative 9. Y positive, similar signs. Done? You have checked after these examples. Do them by yourself. Your homework for today is page 241. Do all of the page, please. Thank you so much. What?